Well, hey there, it's John here, and I'm back in the Eastman Discovery Lab at the Hands-On Discovery Center, and today is a very special day. It is the 4th of May, also known as May the 4th Be With You Day. And in honor of Star Wars, I have a electricity creation that you can actually recreate at home using LEDs and little button batteries. If you've ever looked at an LED, they're kind of cool. You can buy them at electronic stores, or you can get them online for just a couple bucks. You can get hundreds and dozens of different colors. They come in all different shades and colors and intensities and brightnesses. Very inexpensive and very light energy efficient too. If you take this 3-volt battery and actually tried to hook it up to a 1.5 volt, you'll find out that this little battery here actually isn't powerful enough to charge it up, because LEDs have a certain voltage range that they work really good at. So 1.5 volt, not gonna work. If I was to hook it up to a 9-volt battery though, one of these little square ones, I'm not gonna do it because it would actually be too much for this poor little guy and would actually burn it out immediately. Instead, we're going to be using these button cell batteries, and you can find these at supermarkets where they sell watches, or again, order them online. And they have two faces, because a battery has two poles. There's the positive side and the negative side, and it's important to note which one is which. On these button cells, there happens to be a tiny little plus side on this side. On the other side, it's blank, it's empty, it's boring. It's the negative side. So if you take your two legs of your LED, or the anode and the cathode, and try putting them on in one direction, and pinch the legs onto the sides of the battery, why isn't it lighting up? Oh, because LEDs are actually directional. They can only be hooked up in one orientation. Again, look at those little legs there. I don't know if you can see it. One side is just slightly longer than the other side. The anode, or the positive side, is just barely a little bit longer. That's the side that you want facing the positive side of your battery. So if you put your LED onto your battery and you pinch the legs down and there's nothing, it's okay. Just swap it around, flip the legs around, and then try it again, and we found a blue LED here. We're going to use this LED setup to actually create a light sword, or an LED saber, if you will, using just a drinking straw. You're going to want to cut off the bendy part if yours has one. Notice mine is, whoa, I just threw that away. I didn't want that one anyway. Trying this one, that's why we have spares. This will actually become the beam of your light sword, and you're going to illuminate it using your LED. One cool way to do this is to take either some duct tape or some masking tape. Here I have electrical tape. If you tape down one side of your LED and leave the other leg unattached, you can actually create a very simple on-off switch. Then when you pinch that one side down, on, when you release it, it turns off. These straws happen to be the perfect size just to slide right over these little 5mm, get down, I spoke too soon. These little 5mm LEDs, and you can tape that on, secure it a little bit better. But here I've actually made a couple. Here I have a cool yellow one where sound effects are encouraged. Again, when you pinch it, it glows from inside. It looks so cool. You can also change this, adapt it, make it your own. Here I've taken a green LED lightsaber and I've actually attached it to a pencil. So every time I go to write, I can feel the force flowing through my creative energies. But guys, try this at home. It's so much fun. You can customize it to make any color, whether you're a Jedi or a part of the Sith. You can make your own light sword and customize it, make it your own. Again, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new video update, and check out the description below where we're going to have some science standards related to this project. We'll also have some information down there on how to keep the science alive, support us with the science. But right now, I'm off to a galaxy far, far away with me and my light sword. So see you later, guys. Bye!